Hello everyone, welcome back to Design Furniture. Today we're going to explore the top 5 best curtains for 2024. Curtains are a crucial element of interior design. They can transform a room by adding color, texture, and style. Whether you're looking for elegance, functionality, or a pop of color, we've got you covered. Let's dive in and check out the best curtain options for the coming year. 1. Velvet curtains. First up, we have velvet curtains. These luxurious curtains are perfect for adding a touch of elegance and sophistication to any room. Velvet curtains are not only stylish, but also great for blocking out light and providing insulation. They come in various rich colors like deep blue, emerald green, and classic maroon, making them a versatile choice for both modern and traditional interiors. 2. Sheer curtains. Next on our list are sheer curtains. If you want to let natural light into your room while maintaining privacy, sheer curtains are an excellent choice. These lightweight curtains create a soft, airy feel and are perfect for layering with heavier drapes. They come in various patterns and colors, allowing you to customize the look to suit your style. 3. Blackout curtains. Third, we have blackout curtains. Ideal for bedrooms and media rooms, blackout curtains are designed to block out all light, ensuring complete darkness when needed. They also help reduce noise and provide additional insulation. Available in various colors and designs, these curtains are both functional and stylish. 4. Patterned curtains. Fourth on our list are patterned curtains. If you want to make a bold statement, patterned curtains are the way to go. From geometric prints to floral designs, patterned curtains can add a pop of color and personality to any room. They are perfect for living rooms, dining areas, and kids' rooms where you want to inject some fun and vibrancy. 5. Linen curtains. Last but not least, we have linen curtains. Linen curtains are perfect for creating a relaxed and natural look. They are breathable, durable, and offer a casual elegance that fits well with both modern and rustic interiors. Linen curtains are available in natural shades as well as dyed options. And there you have it, the top 5 best curtains for 2024. Whether you're looking to add luxury with velvet, let in light with sheers, block out light with blackouts, make a statement with patterns, or keep it natural with linen, there's a perfect curtain for every style and need. If you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to Design Furniture for more home decor tips and inspiration. Have any favorite curtain styles that we missed? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.